Hello, my wonderful brigade. How y'all doing? We are back with another reaction video. This is so far the final Foxymations analog horror they have created. The Three Little Pigs. Now, I'm gonna hopefully find out in this video if it's the same wolf or a different wolf. But I just want to jump on in. If it's the same wolf, if you haven't seen the previous video, what you doing? Go watch it. But definitely. I just want, if you haven't seen this video before seeing my reaction, I would advise you highly to go watch the original creative Foxymations video first, and come back and see my reaction. That way you can give them watch time, and you know, it helps. It does. I've noticed it helps a lot. But let's dive on in. The Three Little Pigs. Oh, it's a game? Oh, it's a point and click adventure game. Let's go! The three. Play. Loading. Yellow. I don't know why that's hurting my eyes so bad. Ow, yellow.
Once upon a time, three little pigs left their mother's house to build their own homes. The first pig built his house out of straw, because it was quick and easy.
Yep.
The second pig built his house out of sticks, which took a little more effort. The third pig worked hard to build a sturdy house out of bricks.
That's the face of like, what the heck you looking at?
One day, a big bad wolf came to the...
It's the same wolf. Eye missing, same gunshot wound. It's the same wolf. Okay, so this wolf... So all these fairy tales exist in the same universe then. Which just still begs the question, where's the woodsman? I asked that question second reaction for the Red Riding Hood analog horror. Where's the woodsman? Like, come on. Where's the woodsman at? The woodsman would put up a fight. Not saying Hansel didn't, but he should have went full auto. But that's the same wolf. Is there any other stories that could have the big bad wolf in them? Or is the big bad wolf now gonna start intruding upon other folk tales? That'll be interesting. I really hope he does that, Foxymations. Hope they do that. I hope they start, you know, going into other folk tales. Like folklores. Fairy tales, Jesus.
Straw house and...
I should not have taken a drink there. Click the pig. Oh boy. Piggy?
Hello, I am the first pig. I need to protect myself from the wolf. According to the story you heard, what material will I use to build my house?
If you were smart, we'd use
Straw,
bricks.
sticks, or bricks?
If we were smart, we'd use bricks, but you're the first pig and you're not too bright. Yay, we got it right, guys! Let's see what we've won!
Wow, thank you so much for your help. Now the wolf won't get me.
Oh boy. That is a creepy face.
It's dark and cold out here. I better hide at home.
Yeah. If you were smart, you'd build a basement. Jesus, that scared me. That was so loud. That just scared the bejesus out of me, that door. Oh, great. Here he comes. My favorite giant... words I want to say, but I'm stopping myself from saying. Ah, his claws. Good lord. He looks like crab claws. I think it's the wolf outside. I hope he doesn't find me here. Sorry, he can probably smell you. Criminally. You gonna say the line?
Let me in, little pig. I won't destroy your house. We can be friends.
I don't trust you as far as I can throw you. No, I won't let you in, sir. He's broken through a normal window.
Sure.
Jesus criminally. Well. Okie dokie then. Oh boy, he really likes tying faces in the pudding. Oh boy.
One day, a big bad wolf came to the straw house and huffed, puffed, and blew it down. The
Yeah.
pig.
Is dead. He's
Ran to his brother's stick house. The wolf followed, huffed,
and killed the second brother. I don't think he'll get through the brick house. Cause yeah, he can smash through wood, but through brick, I doubt.
Hi, I'm the second pig. The
Hi.
wolf is coming and I need to protect myself quickly. According to the story you heard, what material will I use to build my house?
Please pick bricks. Please. Please. Please.
Straw, sticks or bricks?
Please pick bricks. Please.
Wrong. Try again.
Okay, whoever's
Wrong. Try again.
Okay, hold on.
Wrong.
Who the hell is that? Oh, Hansel.
Sophia's
I had some of that. I couldn't quite catch all that though.
Wow. Thanks for the help. I hope the wolf doesn't find me.
But it's gonna find you. The sons, they're no longer smiling. They're horrified at what they've seen. The wolf really likes trying to playing with faces like they were putty. He literally encaved that fast pig's head. Did you see that? And the moon and sun are just like, oh my god.
It's late. It's dangerous out here. I'd better go in.
Thing is though, even though the house was made of straw, he had a wooden door. Or did he have a straw door? I don't know. The wolf broke it, but it did take a little bit. So if the third pig's house doors are made out of brick, he ain't getting through easy. But if he has a window, it's over. Shakum. And Big Bad Wolf. There he is. And there he goes. He is massive. Good god. Does he have a butt crack? Oh, you're screwed. You have a window. Who's there? Oh, you're screwed. It's your brother. Oh my god. Please don't use his fucking body. Sorry, excuse me for the cussing, but please don't use his body. Please? If it's really you, appear at the window. Oh, he's gonna hold his body up and use him like a meat puppet. Or his head. I was gonna say, you're screwed because you have a window. He can break through windows, no problem. Yeah, you're screwed. Oh boy, that's a lovely image. Your brother is dead, your brother is dead, 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 dead. Oh my goodness. I've got shivers down my spine. Am I dead? Yes and no. Your soul is... Where's my brother? Your soul is forever trapped. I want to see him. He hung him. Oh, he's covered in blood head to toe now.
And to his brother's stick house. The wolf followed, huffed, puffed, and blew that house down too. The two pigs ran to their brother's brick house. The wolf tried to blow it down.
Now this should prove a challenge, at least somewhat of an inconvenience, I'm hoping. For the big bad wolf.
Save us, brother. We are all dead. You are your last hope. Burn yourself. Your house next to the wolf. Sacrifice yourself for us, and for all the victims he made.
Oh, I thought you had to kill the wolf.
Hello, I am the third pig, and I need to protect myself and kill the wolf. According to the story you heard, what material will I use to build my house?
Okay, that's different, because he said kill the wolf too. He didn't say just protect himself. He said protect himself and kill the wolf.
Straw, sticks, or
Sacrifice yourself. Bricks. Choose bricks. We did it! Yay! Yay. Oh boy.
Wow. Thanks for the help. I hope the wolf doesn't find me.
Brother, it's gonna find you. But if you want to kill it, go with it all you got. Oh god, he's actually gonna...
Can you find gasoline?
Oh my god, he's actually gonna burn himself and the house down. Look at that jerry can. A lighter.
Can you find a lighter?
You have to make sure the wolf can't escape though. Oh my god, he's gonna turn his house into a giant Dutch oven. Oh, what a happy face you got there, sun and moon. Yeah, wooden
It's
door.
dangerous out here. It's better to go inside.
Yeah, wooden door. Here we go. Here he comes. Come on, Tyler Pig. You gotta do something. You gotta do something, man. I know it's the wolf that's knocking. I better use the gasoline for my plan. Okay, I hope I can kill that wolf. The door's opening, come get me. Find the bitch! Find him! Die, you bastard! And let us rest. Oh, good lord. Oh, it's walking though. Oh, it's walking on you too. Oh, it's walking on the wolf though. Set us free. Set us free. Set, yeah! There we go. Set us free. Set us free. Set us free. Sounds like a kaiju up in here. Jesus. Burn, you evil witch. Who the hell are you? Are you the wolf? I have been corrupted. I was gonna say, because you have overalls. The witch did this. Holy crap, I was joking. But my thirst for revenge. I wanted to have a happy ending. But what's left for me is to burn eternally in hell for my actions. Yeah, that's the wolf. Overalls gave it away. But I don't regret anything. I would kill more. I really like this. Gretel. Go after the witch and free your brother. Yeah, Hansel and Gretel, I was right. Hansel's soul is not saved like the others. We can finally rest. Good. The mother got the easiest, I'm sorry, but she does not look nearly as messed up. The pigs are horrifying. That's it. Okay. Yeah. What was said? Hansel is not saved. Yeah. The wolf is dead though. The witch. She took the corpse. Oh no. Oh my god, I was actually right though when I said they like Hansel and Gretel. That's awesome. So the wolf might not just be done yet, and he said he would happily do it again because he enjoyed killing. So yeah, he is truly a monster. But the witch did something to him to make him corrupted, but he started enjoying it anyway. And the witch has Hansel's soul, so Gretel has to save him. Okay. So the next one will probably be Hansel and Gretel. Awesome. I want to look through the comments. Sorry, I'm gonna look through the comments real quick. I'm gonna like the video first off. Amazing work as always, Foxymations. I'm gonna look through your comments and see what people thought. But I was just thinking, before I do that real quick. This really is a massive tab for a Snickers commercial, ain't it? You ain't you when you're hungry. Good lord. Yeah, nothing really new, or it's something I haven't already talked about. With the witch, the wolf, and yada yada. Because, why would the witch do this to the wolf, though? I mean, the wolf is a pain in the butt, so I'm not sad to see him gone. I'm rather happy. But at the same time, the witch is like an executioner, a personal executioner. We saw at the end that she took his body. So is she gonna like some voodoo magic bullcrap and make the wolf into the Uber wolf or something? I guess we'll have to wait and see what Foxy releases next. And honestly, I'm quite excited. But with that out of the way, come to the end. If you did enjoy, which I hope you did, please go show some love to Foxymations. Subscribe if you have not already for some reason to them, and like their videos, and just watch their videos. It helps a lot. And if you liked my commentary or editing, please subscribe and like. It helps a lot. But I'll say what I always say at the end of my videos. Bye bye.